Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the quick and simple process of how to unpin a list from your timeline on X. If you've ever pinned a list to keep it front and center but no longer want it showing up, don't worry. Removing it only takes a few seconds. Let's break it down step by step. First, open the X app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look toward the side menu. This is where you'll find different shortcuts that make navigating the app easier. Scroll until you see the Lists option and tap on it. Inside the Lists section, you'll see all the lists you've created, followed, or pinned. To figure out which lists are pinned, look for the small blue pin icon. Any list that has this icon is currently pinned to your main timeline, which is why you're seeing posts from it up top. Now, to unpin a list, simply tap on that blue pin icon. The moment you do, it should switch back, and the list will no longer be pinned. What this means is that posts from that list will no longer appear blended into your main timeline feed. Instead, you'll still be able to access the list manually whenever you want through the List section. It just won't take up space on your timeline anymore. That's it. You've successfully unpinned a list. This can be helpful if you only wanted a list pinned for a short period of time, or if you've decided you don't need that particular feed showing up as often. Remember, you can always repin it later by tapping the pin icon again if you change your mind. Keeping your timeline organized the way you like is one of the easiest ways to make sure you're only seeing the updates that matter most to you. Whether you want a fresh reset or just want to swap out some lists, now you know exactly how to do it. If this was helpful, go ahead and try it out yourself. Your timeline will feel instantly cleaner and more customized.